Welcome to the Empowerment Hour, the space where we bridge the gap between healing, hustle, and heart. Hosted by your favorite self-care queen and business mentor, Cassandrah. This isn't just motivation. It's real talk, real strategy, and real results for women ready to claim their crown. Let's get into it.
Oh yeah, me I dey build my world the way I like. No time for wahala and no time for fight. See the sweet life way I design, because my own shine must to shine. I know say I be your motto leko. My confidence they for overflow. Them no fi stop this glowing. No, you are enough. You are enough. Yeah, you are enough. Sure. You are enough.
Hi sis, I'm so glad that you pressed play today. Before we dive into the strategy, I want you to take a deep breath, just one, let go of the pressure of being seen by the world. That's it. Quick question for you. What would it actually mean to you to see an extra £1,000 or $1,000 in your bank account by the end of this month? Maybe it covers that one bill that's been stressing you out. Maybe it's the deposit for that solo retreat. Or maybe it's just a proof you need to finally believe that yes, you can do it. I see so many of you scrolling through TikTok and Instagram and seeing other girls hitting 10K and 20K a month, and you feel behind. You think you need 100K followers or a video with 1 million views to even start. Sis, I'm here to tell you that that is a big fat lie. Today, we're stripping back all that noise. I'm showing you exactly how you can make your first £1,000 or $1,000 with a small engaged audience and 0 viral videos. When I made my first £1,000 online, I wasn't a name. I didn't even have a ring light, and I definitely wasn't aesthetic. My first win came from a simple lip gloss. Then I took the liberty and I learned how to make digital products on Canva, and I started selling that also online, and that's when the journey truly began. I didn't wait for the algorithm to choose me. I chose myself by focusing on these two things. 1, solving one tiny annoying problem for a specific group of people. 2, having real conversations in the DMs. That is it. No magic, just strategy. If I could do it then, you can do it now. 100%. Here are 3 non-viral strategies that work. Number 1, the low ticket problem solver. This is any product that's selling highest at £27. First up, we're talking digital products. Key here isn't to write 100 pages worth of book. It's to provide a quick win. Think about it, and let's do this math together. 40 sales times by £25 equals, that's right, £1,000. That's simple, right? Think about what people ask you to help them with the most. This could be anything at all, whether it's hair growth tips, weight loss tips, house organization, how to create content, literally anything that you're good at already. This could even be helping out small businesses with templates. Here's a pro tip though, for the girlies who are really ready to start. You can use a done for you product, which is also known as a PLR. The one I highly recommend is the DBA Volume 3. You can buy them, tweak it a little bit to fit your brand and its voice and style, and resell them legally. It saves you so much time and the blank page anxiety. Number 2, the live and learn method. Strategy 2 is to go live and teach. Stop hiding behind your static posts. Commit yourself to just 15 minutes and go on live 3 times per week. Don't just sell, teach one thing. For example, today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can style your scrunchies from Esandor, and then you show us how you normally style them, or how I plan my week for maximum peace, and then you can show them how you plan your week using your Esandor notebook, which is available on www.esandor.com or available on Amazon if you're looking for the hard copy. At the end and mention your product. For example, if you want the full checklist, the link will be in my bio. Trust me, this method works all the time. It's low pressure and it builds massive trust between you and your potential customer. Number 3, the stand store stack. This is my favorite for hitting that 1K sales mark. You can combine a product with a service. For example, one digital product selling at, let's say, £17 plus a one-to-one or a workshop selling at £67. If you sell 15 guides, you'll make a total amount of 255. And if you secure or book the one-to-one or workshop, like let's say 12 spots, you'll make a total of £804, which will give you a total amount of 1,059. Why it works. Some people want to DIY and others want you to do it with them step by step. Give them both options on your stand store. Trust me, you don't need a £1,000 website. You need these 5 things. A stand store or a Shopify, a beacon store. Listen, there's so many stores available. Your link in bio, which is actually a high converting store. Canva to build your branding and aesthetics. And the amazing thing about Canva is you can start off for free. CapCut to make your videos look professional without all the headache. And also there's a free version of this as well. Google Drive, which we all know is free to store all your files safely. Notion to keep your brain organized so you don't burn out. Let's get real for a sec. Some of you are not making money because you're waiting for a logo or you're waiting for the perfect time. It's just another form of procrastination. Trust me, I know, because this is something that I struggle with heavy. Great news is the internet does not pay perfection. It pays for solution. Your £1,000 is sitting on the other side of an imperfect launch. Done is better than hiding, period. If you're listening to this and your heart is racing because you know and you feel that this is the time, then it's your time. I want to hear from you. I want you to comment underneath this video, I am ready to make my first 1K. My first sell checklist is now available for free to download on my stand store. I will leave the link down below in the description button. Next week, we're talking about the Soft Girl CEO blueprint, how to build this empire without losing your peace or burning out. I am Cassandra and I'm reminding you that you are more than ready. You are enough. The world is waiting for your magic. So go get it, girl. Bye.
You are enough. Yeah.